Hi everyone. We have the questions about writing the equation of the circle or drawing the circle, finding center point of the circle. So we have two kinds of circle equation. One standard. Whenever you see write the equation, you understand this is the standard form, and there is this also like general form. The standard form is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. A and B are the center numbers, center coordinate, and we have the general form x squared plus y squared minus 2a x minus 2b y and plus a squared plus b squared minus r squared is equal to 0. So this is the general form. You can find this general form by just opening the parentheses in here. You don't have to do anything else. So the questions in here, they are all about finding the center numbers and the length of the radius. We have three unknowns actually. So from given equation, finding the numbers like x minus a. So in here, the a number should be minus 3. So minus 3 can become plus 3, and y minus b. Since there is no b part in here, the b number should be 0. Y minus 0 is y. Or in here, y minus b. So to make it plus b, b number should be minus 4. Then finding the radius, so r squared, that means it's 6, r squared 5, r squared 4, r squared, so r is equal to square root of 7. So then we have this like second, third type of questions, which is saying diameter AB. If this is the diameter, the middle point of this one, the midpoint of this one is also center. So first you find center, later the distance from center to B or center to A will be the radius. And the other thing, the center is given, and this point is a point on the circle. So the distance from center to any point on circle, that's equal to radius. A simple distance formula, and you have the three unknowns, center numbers and the radius. So from these examples, I will solve this purple one. So write the equation of the circle. If it says equation of the circle, that means standard form. So we have the center numbers. The only unknown is the radius, and it is saying that this circle is tangent to the line. So tangent to the line means that from center point, the distance to the tangent line gives me the radius. This is simply the distance formula from a point to the line. So you replace the center xy numbers in the equation of the line. 4 times x number 2 minus 3 times y number is minus 3 and plus 3 in absolute value over square root of coefficients of x and y, their squares, and plus minus 3 squared, 4 and minus 3. So 4 times 2 will be 8, minus will be plus 9 and plus 3 absolute value. And in here you will get 16 plus 9, which is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 8 is 20. Absolute value of 20 is 20. So you have the distance, which is also the radius. So x minus a number, which is a and b numbers from center. It's 2 squared. Y minus b number, it will be minus 3 squared is equal to r squared, 4 squared. So you show to teacher that it's the same thing. Y minus 3 will be plus 3 squared is equal to 16. It is saying write the general equation. Check that is kind of like exactly the same question, only this, the line equation is changed. So what if the same equation, like same question, wants from us from general equation? If it's about general equation, you can simply open each parenthesis and make it equal to 0. X minus 2 squared. X squared minus 2 times x plus 2 squared, and y plus 3 squared. Y squared plus 2 times y times 3 and plus 3 squared is equal to 60. So x squared plus y squared always in the beginning, and 2 times 2 minus 4x, 2 times 3 plus 6y, and 2 squared 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 plus 9 is 13, and the 16 will move here as minus 16. 13 minus 16 makes minus 3. So let's move the equal here. So since 16 is also moved to the left side, there will be 0 in here.